अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। से लाउडली, यस। कैफ़ा हालुकुन्ना? अज़ुन्नु अन्नकुन्ना बिखैरिन व आफ़ियतिन व सलामा। अल-यौम उदर्रिसु अमामकुन्ना अद-दर्स अत-तासिअ वत-तमरीन सबअ। Inshallah, today I will teach you lesson number 9, exercise number 6. Exercise number 6. In exercise number 6, one grammar is there. One grammar is there, and grammar name is फ़िअल तअज्जुब। फ़िअलुल फ़िअल तअज्जुब। फ़िअल तअज्जुब in English a verb of wonder. A verb of wonder. Okay. Ta'ajjub. You don't know ta'ajjub? Ta'ajjub means wonder. But you don't know ta'ajjub? How you say in Urdu language? उर्दू लैंग्वेज, मदर टंग। कितना अच्छा है, कितना, हाँ। इन उर्दू लैंग्वेज वी से डैट कितना अच्छा है, कितना लंबा है, कितना लंबा है ना। तो इन अरबिक name is फ़िअल तअज्जुब, and in English name is a wonder of verb, a verb of wonder. How you change normal sentence into फ़िअल तअज्जुब sentence? Normal sentence into फ़िअल तअज्जुब sentence. Look, all of you, here given one example, and this is normal sentence. हाज़र रजुलु, हाज़र रजुलु तवीलुन, हाज़र रजुलु तवीलुन. Okay, look at the board. This sentence is normal sentence, simple sentence. This sentence is simple sentence. What is the translation of this? Yes. This man is tall. This man is tall. Yes. It is normal sentence. This man is tall. This boy is short. Okay. This boy is new, and this girl is old. These sentences are simple sentence. Okay. How you change simple sentence into फ़िअल तअज्जुब? Into फ़िअल तअज्जुब. First of all, look at the simple sentence. Look at the simple sentence. Suppose here हाज़र रजुलु तवीलुन. This is sentence. So look at first of all in the sentence, which word is adjective? Which word is adjective? Tawilun. In this sentence, which word is adjective? Tawilun is adjective word. Suppose tawilun, saghirun, jadidun, shahirun and kabirun. Okay, nazifun, wasikhun, baridun, harrun. Okay, these all words are adjective words. And adjective which is called in Arabic naat. Noon ain long ta. Noon ain long ta. Naat. Naat. Naat means adjective. Naat means adjective. In this sentence, tawilun is adjective words. Tawilun is so tawilun adjective word change into pattern of af'ala. Af'ala. One pattern I have written. Look all of you. Af'ala. Af'ala, this pattern. Af'ala is this pattern. On this pattern, change the tawilun. What will come? Tell all of you loudly. Yes. Tawilun, pattern of af'alu will be atwalu. Will be atwalu. Like this. Atwalu. Lam zabar. Atwala. Okay. So first, what you will do? All adjective words change into pattern of af'ala. So tawilun will be atwala. Tawilun will be atwala. After changing the adjective words, use all of you ma. First of all, use all of you ma. Then adjective words shift here. Tell ma atwala. Ma how tall. Ma atwala means ma ajmala. How beautiful. Yes. Ma anzafa. How clean. Ma abrada. How cold. How cold. Okay. Then Harun. Ahrara. Yes. Look all of you. This one is done. This one is done. Then what is the left? Hazar rajul. Hazar rajul. After ma atwala, you should write hazar rajula. Hazar rajula. Okay. And then put all of you sign here. Like this. Hazar rajulu change into fele tajub. Then sentence will be like this. Ma atwala hazar rajula. How tall this man is. How tall this man is. Is. Yes? Have you understood? Okay. Now second sentence is Hazihi Sayyaratu Jamilun, not correct beta. Jamilatun. Sayyara is female. Yes. Only 3 hands are there. Yes, Mariam. Your name is Falak Zareen. Yes, Huda Fatma. हाज़िही सय्यारतु जमीलतुन. This sentence change into फेले ताज्जुब sentence. अजमलु ending letter has yes. मा अजमला मा अजमला माशाअल्लाह, वेरी गुड. हाज़िही सय्यारत. How beautiful this car is. How beautiful this car is. Understood? Yes. Qumi. Hazihil bintu hasanatun. Change into फेले ताज्जुब. हाज़िहिल बिन्तु तू बिन्ता. माशाअल्लाह, सफ़िक़ी. हाज़िहिल बिन्तु हसनतुन. हाज़िहिल बिन्तु हसनतुन. In this sentence, hasanatun word is not. Hasanatun word is not. Not word change into ahsan. Ahsan. One Qari Sahib is there and his name is Ahsan. Ahsan is fele ta'ajjub word. And so ma ahsana hazihil binta. Very good. How beautiful. Yeah, how good. Hasanatun means good. Hasanun and hasanatun. Hasanun and hasanatun. Meaning is good. Meaning is good. How good this girl is. This girl is. Yes. One sentence more here. Hazihi shajaratu qadimatun. Yes. You. उसकुते ला ततकल्लमी तफक्किरी फ़क़त. माशाअल्लाह, सफ़िक़े. क़दीमतुन word is not. क़दीमतुन word is not. Adjective. First of all, change the adjective words into pattern of af'ala. The qadimatun will come aqdama. Then before aqdama use ma. Ma aqdama. And then first shajarata. Ma aqdama hazihi. What is the? How old this tree is? Ma aqdama hazihi shajarata. Yes. Who has not understood this rule and grammar? All. You also? You? Okay. You? You? Anika Sohail. This rule you have understood or not? No. What are you doing? Non-consent with the teacher. Yes, you. You. Asqumi. Ma ismuki? आफिया मंसूर कि आतिफा मंसूर? And your one sister also here, Afia, Atifa. In which class? Third class. But today is absent, I think that. No? No, before you I have taught in third girls, but Afia Mansoor is not there. Atifa Mansoor. Yes, Falak Zareen. You tell one sentence of Fele Tajub from your side, your own. Quickly. Think. Tafakkiri. Famma, you also tafakkiri. One new sentence except this sentence. I think just now I will call you. Yes? Mumtaz. Amtaza. Pattern of af'ala. Huda Fatma. Yes, you. Atika Rahmati. Sadiqa Rahmati. Yes, you tell one sentence. Thinking. You, Falak Zareen. This sentence I have written. Nobel. Kareem. Akram. Kareem is word. Kareem word change into pattern of afala. Akrama. Kareem word is simple. Akram is Fele Tajub. An-Nujum, stars. Najmun Jama Nujum. Yes. Hazal Waladu. Ma afhaza hadal walada. MashaAllah. Hafiz, ahfaz. Very good. Sentence is correct. Tuba. You tell your sentence. Sundus, tell your sentence. Rahim also adjective words. Rahim. And if Fele Tajib, what is? Arham. Ma arhama hazal mudarrisa. Ma arhama. How merciful this teacher is. Yes? Yes? Ma amtaza hadal kitaba. How excellent this book is. MashaAllah. Ahsant. Now students, I have written here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sentences are there. Okay. And one more. Ma arhama hazal. No beta, no. Hazal Mudir, our manager, is so much merciful. Ma arhama hazal mudira. Our mudir name is माशाल्लाह. तो मा अरहमा हाजल मुदीरा, मा अरहमा हाजल मुदीरा. So all students take out your Arabic notebook and write these all sentences in your Arabic notebook and translate it also. Translate it also. Okay, quickly.